In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell on your Wix page. Setting up your Wix store to sell products can seem daunting, but with this step-by-step process, you'll be up and running in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to Wix.com and log into your account. Make sure you have your credentials ready for a smooth login. It's important to have access to your account dashboard where all the magic happens. Once you're signed in, look for the Edit Site option. Click on it to open the website where you are planning to list your products. This will allow you to make necessary changes and add new features. Next up, ensure that Wix Stores is installed on your site. This is crucial because it's the tool you'll use for selling physical products. If it's not installed, take a moment to download and add it to your site to facilitate easy sales management. Then locate and click on Store Pages in your site editor. Store Pages are where you will manage and display your items. Once you're there, proceed to click on Product Page. This section is essential for setting up individual products, including images, descriptions, and prices. For the next step, you'll need to manage your products. Click on Manage Products to navigate to the dashboard. You'll go through Dashboard, Store Products, plus New Product. Here's where you add the details of the products you wish to sell. Take your time to fill out all necessary information accurately, including names, prices, descriptions, and images. After setting up your product listings, click on Physical Product. If you're selling physical items, ensure that this option is selected to correctly display shipping and stock options. This setup allows you to manage your inventory effectively. Now let's set up inventory and shipping. For inventory, enable stock tracking to avoid overselling and set the quantity of each item available. Moving on to shipping, head over to Settings, Shipping and Delivery. Configure your shipping regions, rates, and delivery methods here. It's also a good idea to consider offering free or flat rate shipping to attract more buyers. Once your inventory and shipping are set, it's time to configure payment methods. Navigate through Dashboard, Settings, Accept Payments. Here, enable options like PayPal, Stripe, or credit and debit cards. It's crucial to test the checkout process to ensure everything flows smoothly and payments can be processed without a hitch. The final step is to publish your products. Make them visible on your store page and customize features like the Add to Cart button, layout, and styling to match the aesthetic of your site. Preview the page to ensure everything looks perfect before you go live. As customers begin to purchase products, you'll receive order notifications via your Wix dashboard. Prepare products for shipping and remember to update order statuses and provide tracking information when possible. Keep track of stock levels to avoid overselling and monitor sales and customer feedback to optimize your store. Utilize Wix Analytics to gauge product performance. For successful selling, use high-quality images and descriptions, offer multiple payment methods, set realistic shipping times, and communicate these to customers. Incorporate return and refund policies to build trust, and consider offering discounts or bundles to boost sales. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have a professional-looking store that's ready to handle sales and delight customers. Thanks for tuning into our tutorial on how to sell on your Wix page. Happy selling!